Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Carlos from Algo Futures Trader with another video. In this video, we're going to show you how to open the workspace for the breakout. The market is about to open in the 9:30 and want to take advantage of that. So let's do that. The first step, if we go into the file, open workspace and select the one that says breakout system right on the top. Click OK and wait for it to load. Now that the charts are open, just make sure to understand that you're trading the correct account size. You know how to do that. If not, just make sure to go and see how we do that on other videos that we show you step by step how to go and select the account. Once we make sure that the account is set, all it's left is to enable the automation and wait for the market to open and look for the opportunities for us. So the first step we're gonna go, it's enable the automation in each one of these. And that is it. Now we sit back, wait for the 9:30 mark and allow the system to take control of its own at that point. Let's see how it works. All right, guys, so we just hit our first gold for the day of $200 on the NQ. Let's see what the others carry on and provide us. We got about 150 and 200 between each one of those. But there you have it. We got the first winning setup here on the NQ, on the breakout system. Alright guys, so this is pretty much the outcome of today. It's taking longer than usual, but we'll reach our daily objective, making anywhere from $200 to $300 as soon as possible with full automation. I'm going to show you. So here we have today's outcome on the 17th. We click generate. Today we have made about 306, right? We have pretty much a loss on the short side with up to 81% overall. And that's, for me, in quite honesty, that's pretty good. We still have 3 more opportunities to go. NQ is completely done. And this might be continuing further into the afternoon, but I'm gonna call it off today because the point is proven. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and try it yourself. load up the workspace of breakout entry at the open of the US session and let us know how it goes. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.